Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting Kitchen Tips and Tricks episode number 24. Check them out and I hope these tips are useful to you. They are all tried and tested. And those of you who are new to the channel, do check out the older episodes as well. And if you like them, do share the video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and choose all option from the drop down menu so that you don't miss out any episode. Whenever I post any video, you will be notified. Thank you. If you want to use tomatoes without the skin, here is a tip. Make crisscross cuts on them, remove the eye. Normally we blanch them in water. Today we are going to microwave them. Just for 2 minutes. Once they are done, remove them. Be careful, the plate is going to be very hot. Let them cool down a bit and peel the skin off. You can cut them into pieces, use them this way in pav bhaji or any other curries, or if you want puree, you can cut into pieces and grind them in the grinding jar. Wasn't that an easy tip? I'm sure it's going to be useful for everyone in the kitchen. Pierce the green chilies into a fork and roast them over the gas flame, flipping them from time to time until they get a lovely color and charred look. You can garnish your dishes with these or just serve them on the side along with the kachumber. Those who like to bite on the green chilies will definitely love this. They have a lovely smoky flavor. You can even use them as a garnish on doklas. So they are done. You can remove them now and garnish your dish. With these little tips, you can make your food look so presentable and tasty as well. Removing the coconut from the shell is a very difficult task. So here is a tip that you can follow to remove it easily. Place the shell on the flame and keep turning it from time to time for about 5 minutes, giving it a heat all around. The heat will loosen up the pulpy part of the coconut inside. You need this kind of gripping tongs to do this task, as the shell gets very hot to handle. Keep turning it, the base part as well. Once it is done, you can switch off the flame. Keep it aside for a few minutes until it cools down so that you can handle it. Now using a meat mallet, knock it all around. This will loosen the inside part and it will come out easily. Look at this. The entire thing has come out. Yay! Wasn't it an amazing tip? The green chilies get spoiled very easily, especially in monsoons. So follow this tip to store them. Discard the stems. Wash the chilies very well and wipe them nicely with a towel. You can even place them under the fan for some time, because we have to make sure there is no moisture on them at all. Now they are completely dry. Transfer them into a plate. You can again make sure using a kitchen tissue, wipe them a bit. You can see there's no water content at all. This is a very important step. Now what you do is spray some oil on them. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just pour some oil and rub with your fingers, making sure the oil is coated evenly on all the chilies. Now take a plastic container, line it with a kitchen tissue. Transfer the chilies into the container, fold that paper napkin over them and close the lid. You can put the container in the refrigerator. They stay good for a very long time. Just to show you all, I did not use these chilies. I kept them away for 1 month. You can have a look after 4 weeks how good they look. They are still nice, a bit lighter in color. They have become yellowish, but they are still nice and fresh. Amazing, isn't it? After 1 month, if you can still use the chilies, look at them. The crunchiness also is intact. Did you ever imagine you could use a spoon to peel the ginger? Yes, you can do it. The skin comes off very easily. Look at this. The spoon, smaller spoon, can go into all the nooks and corners and peel off the skin. It's a very handy tip. You could even ask your kids to help you out in the kitchen this way. They would be thrilled to do it. These amazing little tips are very handy in the kitchen. I hope you like this tip and do give it a try. It's done. This way you can peel all the ginger and save it in a Ziploc bag for later use. If you want to use a portion of the bottle gourd and not the entire thing, cut out the top part as much as you require. Use that and always save the bottom part with the stem. The stem helps to keep it fresh for a longer time. So this can be stored in the refrigerator. Just wrap it up in a kitchen tissue. Put it in a Ziploc bag. And refrigerate it. It can stay good for up to a week or 10 days. There are 2 tips on storing the lemons. First, wash them well and dry them completely. First method is wrap them in a kitchen tissue and then store in the refrigerator. Either you can put them in a box, tray or a Ziploc bag, whatever is convenient to you. This tip I had already shared earlier. The second method is spray oil on the lemons after wiping them dry completely. Rub the oil nicely with your fingers all around so that the whole lemon is coated with oil. This will prevent them from rotting. Now you can put them in a Ziploc bag and refrigerate. They stay good for a very, very long time. At least a month. Hope you all liked these tips. Stay tuned for the next video. Meanwhile, watch my previous episodes of Tips and Tricks. Bye, take care.